Good morning para todos hamju pa lunes pago manana dyan i Pascua ta celebra lo makuntitinyo atalo ta celebra i Pascua. Anyway, malala ta farin to sinayon. Have a day and happy Monday. Manana si Jews have a day para todos hamju. GST i lunes na na lunes na mahung i hani matuhi para tadiskuti dangkulun istorya por meggut na galagu nanya si hani na galagu kana baba sa apretetehi si nagaga gi lancho dan apretehi i drenyo ni indongkulun beer giza Amerika pues mala ta diskutiste na storia sa bonito atana sti gaga okay lo galagu atungu man punetehi Guaho meggu na galagu nanya si hani. Guiza galagu gagi lanchu giza New Mexico. Puengi matu dangkulun bear. Gi lanchu si hani ha fegi i bear mumu jani bear ha petehi i sensin 60 na manamku na manok dan dos na kabaljo. Makas i hendra na si hani lo mapula gui sa giza i mediku pagu si hani homlu zaha saba i familianya guija i liru saber ta so inanya si nagalagu si hani umumu dan dangkulun be protehi 60 na manuk dan dos na kabaljo ay na minoligagasti. There is a brave 12-year-old dog named Honey. She lives on a farm in New Mexico. One night, a huge bear came to the farm. Honey did not run away. She fought the bear to save 60 chickens and 2 horses. Honey was hurt badly, but the doctor helped her. Now Honey is healing at home. She's also a hero because she saved her family and all the animals. Palaan is tinagalago. Inanya si Honey ay naminigod palaan galagusti apretehi igaga gigalun ilancho. Bali 60 naman no zan dos na kabaljo kanamatay si Honey zan ni apretehi oki i drenyo. Ang matapang ng aso ang aso. May isang matapang na aso na ang manggalang Honey. Siya ang 12 tahong gulang at nakatira at isang bukid sa New Mexico. Isang gabi may dumating na malaking oso bear. Hindi tumakbo si Honey nilabanan ning ang oso para iligtas ang 60 manok at 2 kabalyo. Nasagutan ng malabuhay si Honey pero tinulungan siya ning mega doctor. Nagkapagalangling sa siya ang inyong tuturing ng ibahani ng kalawang palidza. Honey is a 12-year-old farm dog, a female dog. She fought a big bear attack her. A big bear attacked her farm at night. Honey fought the bear to save the 60 chicken and 12 horses. She was hurt, but she is a hero and is now healing at home. The hero question, now let's talk about this. Do you think your pets would protect you from a bear or any other dangerous animal? Would they run away? Let me know. Let's talk about it. Let me hear your story. If you have a story, share a story so the people that is watching can know about your story. If you have a story, let me know about it. The age factor, Honey is a 12-year-old old dog. Wow, 12 years old. She's old already. It's more inspiring than an old dog. Did this adventure did a young one? It is more inspiring than an old dog did this versus a young one. How would you reward a dog like Honey? Extra steak or a new bed? How will you award your dog if your dog were Honey? So let me know on if you want to also participate on the chat box, you can do that as well. Manana si Juice today, top stories from the New Mexico, but it's touching here's all over the Marianas. So si Honey, un 12 años na galago, hafegi iber para usabra i familia niya. So natungod to sa gimalago pero sangan po dito natutungod to sa takwento sa gano chat box. Honey is a 12-year-old, so she fought a bear to save her family and 60 chickens. Si Honey ang 12 tahong gulang nilabanan niya ang oso para iligatas ng kanyang pilita. Thank you very much. She is truly our little savior. Now let's open the floor. What do you guys think about the bear? The bear, the slave. So this dog is an old dog, a female dog. She fought the bear. Mumudan ni dongkulun gaga. Pozdangan malago po natungod jo afa jo ijobu opinion po destra po nitong stoda po di kalago. Umumu dyan undang kulon bear. Fegge i bear. Pozdangan malago po ron sakani jo dangan kwastoramo po di gamu kalago. Afa dangan Wizay gabu kalago sa pintayo po destia mumumu dan undang kulon gaga undang kulon bear ja petetiyo galun ilugat mo pos maladata diskutusti. Thank you very much imanatu por el tiempo dicho. Jesus Masi, thank you everybody. Maraming salamat po. And let me hear what you think about this story, and let me know if you have a similar story like this, so we can talk about it. Thank you, and have a nice day, everybody. Goodbye.